Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two rows without losing data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to merge two rows without losing data. At first, select the row. Now I am select the row, click and drag on our mouse. You can see we select the two row. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center option. Now we can see we merge the two row easily. You can write anything to this row. Select the row and write anything. Now we can see we merge two row easily. You can make the text bigger, otherwise make the alignment. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.